Hello, this is Mr. Stein. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers for this worksheet on calculating volumes. So question 1, determine the area of the base for these two rectangular prisms. Well, the base is this shape down here. And the area of the base is equal to 6 centimeters times 4 centimeters. It's equal to 24 centimeters squared. Question B, this is our base area down here. Our area of the base is equal to 8 times 7, length times width, 56 centimeters squared. To figure out the volume, you do the area of the base and you times it by the height. Determine the volume for these four rectangular prisms. Two are on this page, two are on the next page. So volume is going to equal to the area of the base, which is 2 times 2. That's the area of our base, times our height, which is 2, which in this case, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 centimeters cubed. It's just the length times the width times the height. Our second one, volume is equal to the area of our base, which is 10 times 5, times the height, which is times 2. And then 10 times 5 is 50. 50 times 2 is 100 centimeters cubed. So you always do the area of the base times the height. Determine the volume of these rectangular prisms. So we do the area of the base, 3 times 4, then we times that by the height. And 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24 cubic meters. Notice the units on this one is meters. This is cubic meters. This one, area of the base, 6 times 5, area of the base, times the height. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 3 is 90 meters cubed. All right, question number 3. Find the missing values for these four rectangular prisms. So in this one, we know the volume. We know the volume. We know the base. We're asked to find the height. All right, so the area of the base is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Now, to get to our volume, we would have to take our 25 and times it by this. So 25 times what? So to get to our volume, 25 times what equals 50. That what will be equal to 2 centimeters. Okay, and letter B, we're just missing the volume. So we just figure out the area of the base times it by the height. 7 times 4, and times it by the height. Now, we multiply all these three numbers together. I'm going to do 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84 meters cubed. It's a pretty big volume. Now in this one, we know that the volume is 30 centimeters. The height is 2. So what would the area of the base be? Well, it's always the area of the base times the height gives us our volume. So what times 2 gives us 15? So we're asking this question, what times 2 equals 30? And that what is 15 centimeters squared. It's an area. Now we can figure out some possible lengths and widths. So this could be 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 2 gives us 30. So we could do 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters. We could also do 1 centimeter by 15 centimeters, because 1 times 15 is 15, and 15 times 2 is 30. Now here we have the volume is 24. We know the height, we know this, we're asked to find this. So 3 times what times 2 will give us 24. 3 times what times 2 will give us, I need to erase this volume, 24. Well, this is multiplication, so I can rearrange this. 24 is equal to 3 times 2 times what? So 24 is equal to 6 times what? And this what would have to be 4 meters, because 6 times 4 is 24. All right, I hope you got all these answers correct. This is how I show my work. You should show your work in the way that you're thinking